So let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position, spine aligned and straight, supporting both our alertness as well as relaxation. Feet flat on the ground, connected to the center core of Mother Earth, and letting our body settle and sink in into the ground, into the earth, into the seat cushion below us. Taking a couple of deep inhales through the nose, exhale through the mouth. And on the exhale, letting go, sinking, dropping it in, into the body, into the earth, and into the soil below. Feeling the gravitational pull of Mother Earth, the weight of our body. And Mother Earth is always pulling us into her center, like a gentle, loving embrace of a mother pulling a baby infant into her chest, while also keeping it on the surface. So we have these two opposing forces, the force of gravity pulling us down, and then the pressure through the feet and seat cushion that's keeping us in place. So we can feel these two forces operating on our body. And then this body is made of earth elements, over 70% water, like the surface of the earth, carbon, oxygen, and other minerals that the earth provides for us through the food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe. So let's take a couple of inhale, drawing in energy and sustenance from the earth, from the soil below, drawing it up through the feet, the legs, the pelvis, up the spine, circulating through the torso and the body. And on the exhale, returning, letting go back down through the pelvis, legs, and feet, letting all the tension, whatever we don't need, the excess right now, compost back into the soil below. So at your own pace, just take a few breaths like that, drawing in energy and sustenance from the earth, up, feet, legs, pelvis, spine, all the way to the crown top of the head. And then exhale, returning. And letting the spine align, serving as an energetic connection channel between the earth below and the cosmic sky above, connecting through the feet, legs, pelvis, and then the spine, up the torso and the crown top of the head, pointing at the space above. So sensing into the space above, the vastness of unbounded space, which is estimated to be nearly 100 billion light years and rapidly expanding. this vast unbounded space is estimated to contain 2 trillion galaxies, each with approximately 100 billion stars, each as bright as our sun. So sensing into this vast expanse of boundless space that is dark yet can be luminous with all that starlight, even in the darkness of the night sky. Now, this so-called empty space that is pervaded by starlight is also pervaded by invisible light frequencies like infrared, ultraviolet, gamma rays, X-rays, all of which are parts of what is called the cosmic microwave background radiation. That is the echo of the Big Bang, the moment of creation, that is reverberating throughout the cosmos. So we have this empty space that's permeated by visible starlight and invisible primordial light. Now, this empty space is in fact filled with dark matter and dark energy, which we can't see because those don't interact with light. But we do know that about 28% of the energy mass of the universe is made of dark matter. And approximately 68 to 70% is made of dark energy, which means that all of the matter that we're familiar with, the stars, the planets, etc., only consists of 5% of the energy mass of the cosmos. And the rest is invisible. Yet we know its existence through its gravitational effects. Now, this dark energy that pervades empty space has uniform density throughout space, which is amazing, which means that as the space expands rapidly, as more and more empty space is being created, it is being filled with the same energy density of dark energy, which means there's an ongoing, constant process of creation of new energy entering the universe, the cosmos. So sensing into this energy and light of the space above, let's draw in now some energy and light from the cosmic realm above us, drawing it down through the crown top of the head, bringing it down through the spine, the torso, letting it circulate through the limbs, and exhale, return back to the cosmic realm. So at your own pace, taking a few breaths, drawing in energy and light from the space above, circulating it through the body, returning it to the cosmic realm. Now, this body, I mentioned, is made of earth elements, which in reality are made of stardust, which is, in fact, energy and light that has congealed and cooled down following the Big Bang. It took a while after the Big Bang for the energy to cool down enough so that stable particles, atoms, and molecules could be formed, which is then created the stardust that the earth and the body is made of. Now, what is fascinating also is that each atom and molecule itself, this congealed energy and light, is in fact over 99.9% empty space itself. So this body made of energy, light, and space, much like the cosmic realm above us. So continuing to draw in energy and light from above through the crown top of the head, circulating in the body. And exhale, return back to the heavenly skies. So a couple more breaths at your own pace, like that. And now returning to the earth, the ground below, the solid earth below. And let's again draw in energy and sustenance from the earth, soil below, moving it up, feet, legs, pelvis, torso, and returning back to the soil. Couple more breaths, drawing in from below and returning back down. Now let's include drawing in energy from both directions, from the cosmic realm above and from the earth below. Letting these two streams of energy meet and intermingle throughout the body. Merging them, particularly around the chest and the heart, effectively merging heaven and earth within our hearts, within our chest. And as you continue to draw in energy from above and below, on the exhales, send the energy out forward to the front of your chest. So taking 3 or 4 breaths, drawing in from above and below, exhale forward. Now let's exhale towards the back. drawing in from above and below simultaneously, meeting at the center of the chest, exhaling towards the back. And now exhaling towards the left. Now exhaling towards the right. Drawing in from above and below, exhaling towards the right. And now continuing to draw in from above and below and exhaling in all four directions simultaneously. And now simply breathing normally, resting the awareness, the presence, abiding in the center of the chest, the heart area, feeling it's an expansion on the inhale in all four directions. And sensing into the space in the chest. Noticing if it feels lit up or dark, or perhaps dark with some flickering point or points of light. Does it feel opaque or transparent, tight or open or spacious? Noticing what the emotional state is now and how the nervous system feels. Continuing to abide, dwell in the center of the chest for a few more breaths. And when you're ready, you can let your eyes open and staying rooted and grounded in the center of the chest. You can include the sound of these words, any other sounds, any light that comes into the eyes without going out, just receiving colors, shapes, images. Allowing and receiving. While staying centered and rooted in the center of the chest.